सकल हृदया सकल हृदया सकल हृदया सकल हृदया सकल हृदया चिन्मया सकल हृदया विषय पिपासा पीडित सा विषय पिपासा पीडित सा निसारा संसारा निसारा संसारा मृद निरासम बुललोमी मृद निरासम बुललोमी परिफसलो विस्मरलो परिफसलो विस्मरलो तव भजनी लागाया तव भजनी लागाया तव भजनी लागाया चिन्मया सकल हृदया चिन्मया सकल हृदया सकल हृदया सौख्य सदा नव जाठाई सौख्य सदा नव जाठाई सौख्य सदा नव जाठाई पापाता तापाता लेशन से शांति वसे लेशन से शांति वसे मैं ये बोनी क्या थानी मैं ये बोनी क्या थानी सुख भुवनी दासाया सुख भुवनी दासाया सुख भुवनी दासाया सुख भुवनी दासाया चिन्मया सकल हृदया चिन्मया हृदया चिन्मया सकल हृदया हृदया
बहुत 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 सुंदर, वेरी सोलफुल. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आनंद जी.
Movies are many things to many people. They inspire, entertain, and give us pause to ponder issues. We laugh, we cry, we get outraged. And sometimes we reach a new understanding of the world around us. These are some of the things that make movies important to us. Before proceeding to the feature film section of the awards, I would now request Chairperson of Feature Film Jury, Ms. Rohini Hatangari ji, to review the awards, please. Ma'am, please.
Respected Vice President of India, Shri Mohammad Hamid Ansari ji, the Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Srimati Ambika Soni, and distinguished guests. At the outset, I would like to thank all the members of my jury who helped me in making such a complex exercise of sifting through the final 50 of the 180 plus entries from all over India so enjoyable and educational. The 3 weeks that we took to decide on the most meritorious ones for the national awards will always remain as one of the most cherished memories in my life. In this connection, I would like to thank Shri Rajiv Jain and his wonderful team at the Directorate of Film Festivals who worked round the clock to make our selections most enjoyable. The central panel kept in mind the highest standards of cinematic excellence, social commitment, and clarity in narration while selecting the most eminent filmmakers or technicians for the various categories. We appreciated the witty and satirical film Deul, while also applauding the way religious personal laws were challenged by Byari. From an incredibly entertaining children's story in Chillar Party to the dark worlds of Aranyakandam, from the brilliant visuals of Anegode Dadan to the simplicity of a Dogri film, Dilich Vasya Koi. While viewing all these films, we realize that the century mark of the Indian cinema flagged off by the veteran Dada Saheb Phalke on this day 100 years ago is still full of hope, courage, and capable of greater visions. The golden years of Indian cinema nurtured by visionaries such as V. Shantaram, Bimal Roy, Satyajit Ray, Raj Kapoor, S.S. Vasan, and many others, is surely set to achieve greater heights with this awesome array of talented young filmmakers assembled in this auditorium. I salute you all. We congratulate all the directors, actors, technicians for trying to make Indian cinema truly Indian. We have a valuable cultural and artistic heritage, and I am personally happy to note that you have not forgotten or neglected rural India and its problems. Films like Vagai Sudava, Shara, Azagar Swamin Kudurai show the true feelings of a new India ready to take on the challenges of globalization and modern media. And with the coming of digital media, the national awards will reach a lot more people, giving the jury many more entries to reckon with ensuring that the future of Indian cinema gets the best of representation. With these words, let me thank jury members, regional and central, for having devoted their valuable time and contributing their intellectual might to make modern Indian cinema meaningful and relevant. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Rohini ji.
अब मैं आग्रह करूंगी महामहिम उपराष्ट्रपति श्री मोहम्मद हामिद अंसारी जी से कि वे आएं और विजेताओं को सम्मानित करें।
फीचर फिल्म ज्यूरी ने निर्देशक शेरी को फिल्म आधि मध्यांतम के उत्कृष्ट निर्देशन के लिए विशेष उल्लेख स्पेशल मेंशन प्रदान किया जाता है। निर्देशक शेरी को प्रमाण पत्र। मंच पर शेरी।
For the unique visualization of the world of a hearing impaired child through folk tale, performance and simple graphics.
फीचर फिल्म ज्यूरी ने अभिनेत्री रीजा सीवी को, जो मल्लिका के नाम से प्रसिद्ध हैं, ब्यारी फिल्म में प्रभावी अभिनय के लिए विशेष उल्लेख स्पेशल मेंशन किया है। अभिनेत्री मल्लिका को प्रमाण पत्र। मंच पर मल्लिका।
For boldly essaying the role of Nadira, a young Muslim woman persecuted by a rigid patriarchal system.
वर्ष 2011 की सर्वश्रेष्ठ तमिल फीचर फिल्म बेस्ट तमिल फिल्म का पुरस्कार मिला है वागे सूडावा, निर्माता एस मुरुगानंदम और निर्देशक ए सरकुनम, दोनों को ही रजत कमल। सबसे पहले मंच पर एस मुरुगानंदम। और अब मंच पर ए सरकुनम।
For its inventive mix of folklore, politics and rural deprivation to portray the grim realities of an illiterate, poor and barren village.
वर्ष 2011 की सर्वश्रेष्ठ पंजाबी फिल्म बेस्ट पंजाबी फिल्म अन्ने घोड़े दा दान, निर्माता राष्ट्रीय फिल्म विकास निगम, नेशनल फिल्म डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन। पुरस्कार ग्रहण करेंगी नीना लाथ गुप्ता, इनके लिए रजत कमल। निर्देशक गुरविंदर सिंह आपसे रूबरू होंगे अपना हायर अवार्ड ग्रहण करते समय, उनके लिए थोड़ा इंतजार। अभी मंच पर नीना लाथ गुप्ता।
For its haunting portrayal of the lives of people in a village as they battle with the reality of large-scale industrial development.
वर्ष 2011 की